Hello. So I went to Trader Joe's today. It is my first week in Portland, Oregon. So I am going to do a review on the chicken tiki masala. This is how it came. I'm going to use a stovetop. It says bring 2 tablespoons of water to a boil and then add the sauce. We're actually going to cook the rice first. So it says bring 1/4 cup of water to a boil and then add the rice. So now we're going to go ahead and add 1/4 of a cup of water. I'm living in an Airbnb right now, so I don't have all of my gadgets. So we're just gonna kind of wing this because I don't. We've got the water boiling. Let's put our rice in here. Putting our rice in here. Let's cook the rice. Oh goodness, we're burning the rice. The rice is boiling. It's good to go now. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. All right, so since I don't have a lot of pans, I'm gonna go ahead and just transfer the rice into this bowl right here. And then I'm going to use this same pan to cook the chicken in. All right, now the instructions said we need to put 2 tablespoons of water into this next one. All righty, now we're gonna go ahead and add the masala. Oh yeah, this smells good. You never know with these meals if they're going to be as good as they look on the package or not. But this might be a winner. Got some rice. So I got my food. Let's go ahead and try it with the rice. It is very good. Definitely worth the money. I do taste the spice, but it's not overwhelming. I like it. I like it a lot. I definitely will be getting a second plate.